Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In today's video I want to teach you how to buy Terra Luna on Gate.io. This is the best way to buy this coin. This coin is very popular at the moment. Everyone are talking about it, especially after the crash which happened about week ago. The price is down by 100%. There are people who have got still hope that the price will reach a cent first and then a dollar again. So I will show you step by step how to buy Terra Luna on Gate.io, but remember that it's highly risky to invest money in this coin, especially after the crash. It's highly risky, and always do your own research and always invest that money you are not afraid to lose. So first of all, to buy Terra Luna, you need to have account on Gate.io. If you don't have account, you can just click the sign up link in the description, and there are special bonuses for my referrals. So just click this link and start registration process. But before that, please check this list because there are restrictions for some countries. So please check this list before you start filling the gaps with your personal information. And for new users, there are some bonuses: complete beginners tasks and claim $100 Gate.io points, train and claim 5,500 worth of USDTs. So guys, fill all of the gaps with your personal information and make an account on Gate.io. After that, log into your account. So guys, we created an account on Gate.io and now we need to buy USDT, because to buy Terra Luna we need to swap USDT to it. So first of all, go to buy crypto, choose one of these options, for example credit card. In the right gap, enter USDT. There's a search bar that just type USDT in it, and in the left gap you should enter the amount of money you are going to pay. For example 100 USD, and remember that minimum payment is 30 USD. Here are some service providers. For example, you can choose Banksa, and here you can see that you are paying 100 USD and you will receive 91.63 USDT on your balance, and the fees will be only 1.96 USD. Check this and go to purchase. If everything is correct, click create order and finalize the payment. So after you finish this process, then you can start buying Terra Luna on Gate.io. Just go to trade, click spot trading, and here in the search bar type Terra Luna and choose Luna to USDT. So guys, here in this gap you should enter the amount of USDT you are going to pay. For example 100 USDT. For 100 USDT you will get this amount of Terra Luna tokens. So if everything is correct, click buy, enter your fund pass and make an order on Gate.io. So guys, after you buy Terra Luna, then you can check your wallet. To check your wallet, go to wallet in the top right corner and choose classic account. Here is a spot account. Click spot account, and in this page you will find out your Terra Luna balance. So that's all guys, we bought Terra Luna on Gate.io. Remember that before you make the decision, please do your own research, and remember that this is highly risky. Also, I suggest you to continue using Gate.io because this is the best platform to trade. It's on 5th position in the world and it's best especially for beginners. So guys, that's all I wanted to tell you. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking like button, thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.